Hello students, this is exercise number 6 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine April 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. About allegations made about the departments, we have been noticing in respect of expenditure that was soon as amounts are allocated to the respective departments of the state government, they are not at all taking any interest whether a particular amount allotted to a particular department is properly utilized or not. It is done only after the entire amount is spent. It is time to have a mechanism to find whether the amount allocated to the departments of the state governments are properly utilized for the particular purpose for which they were earmarked, and it is ensured that in the future they do not spend all their amount at the end of the financial year. For example, if some amount is allotted to a particular department, they sleep over that amount and then they spend that amount hurriedly at the end of March, with the result that the amount is not utilized properly. There is scope for waste, corruption, and malpractices. Therefore, it is the duty of the government to come forward with proposals to check these malpractices and inefficiency prevailing in the departments. The report of the Comptroller and Auditor General for 1997-98 shows how the departments are not utilizing the amounts properly at all. Government is committed to certain principles to give to the people everything they need. But at the same time, the departmental executives do not understand the realities or the principles and the responsibilities of the government. In those cases, I would like to ask the government to fix responsibility on a particular officer. What happens? Suppose some officer commits a mistake and the audit report finds something, a reply is given by the government and it is treated as if his responsibility is over. No action is taken against him. He may be transferred from one department to another. He has made some mistake or mischief at the cost of the exchequer and at the cost of public welfare. Government should fix responsibility on the officer, and then only this type of lethargy in the departments will go. We are getting assistance from foreign countries, the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund and other agencies, and the funds are utilized by our government. As far as India is concerned, I am happy that most of the funds are properly utilized. But at the same time, there may be some lacuna or shortcoming in the execution of projects. If the World Bank prepares an audit report, it should be placed on the table of the House so that we know what is happening, what difficulties are pointed out by the World Bank.